ka East-West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kanoi lam ka All India Trinamool Congress but ka Menteri Rangba ban hapmi no na ka Jilla West Bengal ha ka santre ku jemmang arajar arpun riu kala kentaj ban Iehnoh ka kam Menteri Rangba hadian ka Jingshah ram da ka bakenno ba ka result ka de ka Jingleh-Thok om karai upajba. Hagajing kran segilat pathai kubor ka Mamata Banerjee kalaong bayak election sham lapan long hakurukom ka bakhuj basuba bat kenno bagajing kular ka BJP bat jing padan kam de ki bor pahara kala kini yak election. Daga bapen pau baka parti kan beteng ya kun persa ka Mamata kalaong bakam don jing keli ban Iehnoh kam Henry kum ka parti kam sham laram daga mon upajba Henry daga bor Jingleh-Thok. Shu kalaong baka jing ya kun ka parti kam dai persa tangya ka BJP Henry kum jo yak Election Commission of India. Kalau orang bagi don kinoi alam ke All India Trinamool Congress ki bapen ya so syaka BJP namar ke jing tieng mat kum ta kam sngoi lada ka penti kena bagi don ke jing sngan. Kumban syukdo na ka result election MLA ka balapen bana ha ka South Re ujemmang arja arpun riu ke All India Trinamool Congress kala syak pen khalam na ka bor sensyar ha West Bengal hadian khat san snam. Ke BJP kala wan bansar ha ketika jela da ka job arspa nyongut ki MLA ka ba TMC pat kala job satang prapongut nalor ka Mamata ka bala syakram na Bhabanipur constituency da khat san hajar shispa san vote haukur tong ka BJP usuvendu adhikari. Na ka result election la paru ba ka Congress but EJUP ki job mar artali ki constituency ha ketika jela kat ba ka CPI in bracket M but ka AISF ki job mark away ka constituency.
Sad to say, CEC became the villain of this election to loot the democratic rights of the people and to loot the EVM machine. Can you tell me that after voting EVM machine, 80 to 95% is the charge? How it is possible? Before 2 days of election, by please, আপনারা একটু কথা কম বলুন. Before 2 days of election, they started arresting our people like anything. They started raid in everywhere. And they changed all the IC to OC to SDO to DM to IPS, all IPS, IS, WBCS, WBPS, all they changed. And they selected from their party. And BJP play the game directly with the election commission. It's a betting, you can say, the got-up betting between BJP and the election commission. We fought against the all machinery, where Prime Minister and Home Minister is also involved. Directly interference. SIR, they deleted 90 lakhs name from the voter list. And when we went to court adjudication, 32 lakhs were included. But do you know that after that, the 7 lakhs what was deposited together, that is also included? But nobody knows that. So how they play the dirty, nasty and mischievous games. I have never seen this type of election in my life. From the beginning, in my student life, I have seen so many elections. Even 2004 also, when I was only alone, there also I have not seen this type of atrocities. When we are student, we came to know 1972, 72 সন্ত্রাস, কিন্তু আমরা নিজেরা চোখে দেখিনি, তাই আমি বলতে পারবো না। কিন্তু এই সন্ত্রাস সব সন্ত্রাসকে ছাড়িয়ে গেছে. These atrocities is atrocious, terrible. I am grateful to all my India team's leader. Sonia ji rang up me, Rahul Gandhi rang up me, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejoshi, Hemant Soren Yadav, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United India Alliance, Indian Alliance, they said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to come today itself, but I said you come better tomorrow. So he's coming tomorrow. And one by one, everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell me that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I gave full life for service to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn 1 paisa of pension or I have not taken 1 paisa of salary also. But now I am free bird. So I have to do some work. That I will manage to do it. And our party will see they started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me, scheduled caste family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said, we will rape you. And her father, grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill. But they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Degonga, Degonga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with goons, started atrocities. And they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু সিপিএমের একটা পার্টি অফিসে হাত দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি। আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম। আর 3 দিন ধরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে, সিআরপিএফ এটা জওয়ানস বাহিনী না গুণ বাহিনী? আমি আমার নিজের কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে দেখেছি, আমার অভিজ্ঞতা 100 জনকে মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল। এবার আপনাদের আমি বলি, আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। ইউ মে অ্যাকসেপ্ট, মে নট। After first round, you started saying BJP is getting 200, 195. You didn't wait up to the final result. Even you didn't wait to see the 5 round, 6 round. And after that campaigning with the press media, the BJP went to the inside of the polling station and they started beating the people, beating the counting agents. When I came to know all the counting agents are withdrawn, that time I was leading about 13,000 and my 5 round was left out. And that round is also my ward and Bobby ward. We should have get more than 32,000. Then the candidate BJP itself went there inside along with 200 CRPFs and 200 outsiders goon. And then they beaten our people. Even the women were not spared, and they snatched all the 17C form. When I came to know, I started going there. First, they stopped my car in the Jogubazar area, but I moved from the other way. When I entered, the CRPF said, no, you are not allowed to go. I said, I am a candidate. You are not allowing me. You are not allowing our candidate, our agent. So it is going on one-sided. Then written I complained to RO that it should be stop counting right now unless the restoration is over. Restoration normal is be restored. Then Randhir came. I told Randhir, the DO. I know he gave a message to somebody before 15 days ago. Ye chuna counting mein khel hoga. That I am having with me. I told him, can you do like this? Even nobody is from our side. My official agents are not allowed. I am not allowed. I went inside for few minutes. They kicked me in my belly. They kicked me in my backside. And they abused, physically manhandled, assaulted. And you cannot imagine what happened, because that time CCTV was off. So far I know. I have seen the CCTV footage from inside the room. Then I was sitting there. I said, unless and until the counting is started, the normalcy is restored, I will sit here as a candidate. I have seen the data bank area, all the BJP candidate and with 200 goons, they are operating the data. Then they just thrust me, thrown me out from the counting station. Dhakka deke marke nikala. As a woman, I feel it is not only the insultation. I am as a human being, how they misbehave with me. So I can guess the other candidates, how they are being tortured, and the workers. Party is solidly with them, and all the United India leadership, they are also together. We will bounce back, we will fight this battle. But whatever this government of India's direct interference, and to control the autocrat system, to finish the democratic system, the brutal murder of democracy. In this line, they won in Maharashtra, in Bihar, in Haryana, and other states. They were not able to fight it out, but we fought it just like a tiger, and we will fighting, and we will be fighting. All we are together. They are insisting so many of our workers to join BJP. I don't mind for that. For their safety, they may. Today they will be, tomorrow they may not be. So now we have decided that against of election commission or the what mechanism they have used, our strategy will not let you know now. That we will discuss later on. We are taking action. But what action? That required discussion. That's why our confidential strategy, we are not going to disclose. This is number one. Number two, we have decided to set up a fact-finding committee with 10 members, along with 5 MPs and others. They will visit all the tortured area. Even they captured all of our party offices. Even they went to capture Trinamool Bhavan, our headquarters also yesterday. It's a black history what happened for Bengal yesterday. We condemn the attitude of the villain election commission, biased. He has done everything. Even we came to know, I do not know whether we are sure or not, we are collecting information. The message came to us from his control office, Delhi. They hijacked the counting center also. This is most unfortunate. This is not only unfortunate, I think that this message should go to everywhere, so that our people are staying all over the world. Let the message should go to the people. So let them know the atrocities. পরবর্তী স্ট্র্যাটেজি আমরা পার্টিতে বসে ঠিক করব। আপনারা টাইম টু টাইম জানতে পারবেন, চিন্তার কোনো কারণ নেই। কেন, কিসের জন্য? আমরা তো হারিয়ে নিয়ে যাব। হারলে আমি যদি শপথ নিতে যেতাম তাহলে আমি রেজিগনেশনটা করতাম। এখন তো কোয়েশ্চেন ডাজন্ট অ্যারাইজ। জোর করে দখল করে যদি কেউ মনে করে যে আমি কি রেজিগনেশন দিতে হবে, নো, নট দ্যাট। নাও অলসো আই ওয়ান্ট টু সে দ্যাট we didn't lose the election. It is their forceful attempt to defeat us. Officially they may, through election commission, can defeat us. But morally I am telling you that we won the election.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya